Hope everyone had a good day yesterday. Today we're going to be finding tangent within our unit circle. So I have a triangle. If you're able to see it, we have a triangle right here. Okay. In terms of my unit circle, my point is x, y. And so if I wanted, just to review, to find tangent from before using SOHCAHTOA, we had tangent is equal to opposite over adjacent, right? So if I'm talking about my angle theta right here, okay, what is opposite? Directly opposite it is y. What do you put y? And adjacent is x. Right? So then we are able to see that y is related to my sine, right? So y is related to sine of theta, and x is related to cosine. So tangent theta is equal to sine theta over cosine theta, or y over x. Okay? So now we're going to apply that, do some examples from our unit circle. We have tangent 120. So we're going to go to our unit circle, okay, and we're going to look for tangent 120, which I already pointed. It's right here. This is tangent 120. Here's 120. And then I'm going to be able to use my coordinates to find tangent. Let's write down our coordinates. Our coordinates are negative 1/2 and √3/2. And in the previous one, we have seen that tangent, just to review, tangent theta is the same thing as y over x or cosine over sine. Right? You can't forget that. So then we end up writing tangent 120. Yes, square root of 3/2 divided by negative 1/2. Well, I'm going to expand this and write it out like this. Make sure you pause the video to take some notes. When it comes to division by fractions, we change the division to a multiplication. Leave the first fraction alone, and then flip the second fraction, or take the reciprocal. So what I mean by that is that top goes on bottom, bottom goes on top. So it'd be 2/1. And now we just multiply across. I multiply √3 times -2, because the radical 3 is, I'm going to write radical 3 and then just put the 2 in the front. And then 2 times 1, that's just 2. Well, I have 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. So they equal 1. And my answer is just left by -3. So tangent 120 degrees is equal to -3. Now let's look for tangent 45 degrees. Highlighted 45 degrees. If you notice, it's this one right here. And we have the coordinates √2/2 for both x and y. So let's go put that in our slide. √2/2. √2/2. Again, using our rule right here, where the tangent is y over x. So tangent of 45 degrees is equal to √2/2 divided by √2/2. Same thing in my numerator and denominator, so that equals 1. So what do we have? That tangent of 45 degrees is equal to 1. Okay? Go ahead and end up trying the homework. You have 2 problems. Take care.